welcome to the British Motor Museum. Magnet Talks is an industry event bringing all of us together to share ideas and to create a path forward.
There's people here, everyone's really friendly, they want to talk to you, they want to get your ideas.
You can just get to know something, or you can actually sit and actually get trained on something. I think that's really good.
Our new platform, Magnet One, we're trying to bring together all the technologies that you use, all of our technologies, and combine them into one platform.
What I really enjoyed, particularly today, is the community coming together again and seeing and hearing some of the more niche areas of work which we can develop on. For me as a manager, I've got inspiration to go back and speak to my team about some of the things they may have already missed.